so done with.
That's something we're trying to portray, like
I'm so done with.
sort of the experience you can have with it. And also,
Oh,
Everyone's doing well. I'm doing basically a video to, I guess, share a little bit about my day and also share a reset video. If anyone right now is feeling like how I am, then this video is for you. How I'm feeling right now is I have spent probably the last 2 months really not caring about how I sleep, food, everything, feeling like a slump. And the past few weeks have been tiring and I just feel like I need a reset. And I thought, why not do a reset and a video as well alongside? So yes, I thought I'll do it. At the same time, I'll just share a bit about my day, one of my days. Right now, still working on the startup, having a lot of fun every single day, and yeah, there's ups and downs, but that's life. So I'm doing like basically a complete it's like a self-reflection day to reflect on everything in terms of like how I am, how I feel, everything, and how I want to change and step into a better version of myself. So yeah, I guess I'm going to just share what I did to reflect on this process and what I'm going to do next. And hopefully maybe it might help some of you guys as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get into it.
I think we need to keep disruption at our core because yes, watching is so much work you're doing for presence. No worries. We're all in this together, man. Like I'm not doing anything for anyone. It's just we're building towards the same thing. It's like a group effort, and I love being a part of Red Two. You guys are amazing, and yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Take care, guys. See you.
Bye.
After the long team meeting, I then went to London to a co-working space that happens every Thursday to also surprise my friend who is leaving the country. And then I had a meeting with one of our advisors for our startups just after I left the train. So I went to a corner and just took it, and then yeah, took the bike and went to the office.
Best videographer ever.
Didn't include the footage of surprising my friend, but yeah, we all wrote a card and gave it to him to say goodbye.
Ooh.
Let's go.
Nice. So messing around in third style.
I'm not doing that again. Fireworks. To organize my life, I have found that I must see what I'm organizing. I'm asking you, in a sense, to channel your inner Da Vinci. I love using notepads to organize my ideas. You can use a journal or software if you prefer that. The important thing is to keep all of these ideas in one place, as being disorganized in where you offload these ideas can potentially lead you to losing them. If you're familiar with my videos, the next thing I'm going to say is not going to surprise you at all. I'm a strong believer in analog, which means a pen and paper, and not anything digital. Not at this stage, at least. There isn't a productivity app or piece of software in existence.
So I got my whiteboard pen and whiteboard, and basically I wrote down my goals for the next 3 months that related to the big sectors, so health, personal, my character, business, relationships, and then I went deep into each one. So I took a photo and rubbed it off, and then wrote down like what am I doing right now when it comes to health, what systems, what habits should I change in order to basically get to the next level and improve, and yeah, so that's what I did. And after that, I wrote it down on paper in my notebook and went even more deeper to basically break it down even more to say, okay, exactly what am I going to do? And then I opened my Google Calendar and I basically set up my routine. So I kind of left it after a few days. I set up my morning routine, evening routine, put it on my calendar, gym, traveling, everything. Don't worry, I don't do 2 hours of gym. I just like, it includes traveling to the gym. And then I also put down like, you know, blocks of time where I want to do focus work, where I'm not going to allow anyone to distract me. And yeah, basically put it down in the calendar, because there is a saying, if it's not on the calendar, it's not going to get done. And I really do believe in that. So I'm starting to get better at using my calendar and making sure that I kind of, you know, go by my day using a calendar, using a to-do list, just making everything a little bit more structured and organized. Because I think once you know what you're doing on the day, and you have a routine, everything becomes so much easier and you become so much more productive. So yeah, that's essentially what I did to kind of reset my life, reflect on what I want, where I am now, what I need to do to get there. And goals aren't enough. We need to break it down into systems, break it down into habits.
Also, I am editing a video. Basically, I went to this event, so I just helped them like make a video, and I really like it. Look at that, it's so cool. Yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna share people because just in case they've got like, you know, still have to ask consent. But yeah. Anyway.
So yeah, I actually ended up editing that video and this video together, and it's 7 a.m. But you know, that's okay. Execution starts tomorrow. I did all the planning. I feel confident, and I hope this video helped you in some way as well. So I hope you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.